Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Shamir, and if you're a returning subscriber, thanks for joining me again today. So today's video is a little bit different on my channel. We are doing a new apartment deep clean with me. I recently moved. At this point, there's probably a vlog and a apartment tour, or they're combined together. I decided to share with you guys and record while I was doing it. So yeah, the next stuff that you'll see is me getting into it, cleaning basically all parts of this apartment. Here's how some of the stuff was looking. It looked like it had been cleaned before, but no one's been in here in months, so I wanted to get back in and do some cleaning for real. Okay guys, so this is some of the stuff that we're going to be using in today's cleaning video. I got some spick and span. This is Advanced Clean, some Swiffer wet cloths, and then Swiffer garbage disposal cleaner, bleach, Lysol, sponges, gloves, all that good stuff. So I decided to start off with the kitchen, wiping everything down and just doing, you know, knobs, handles, and all that good stuff. And I try to get in there really good, even like the little knobs and stuff on the stove, all parts, everything just needs to be cleaned. Okay, next up was the bathroom. I went ahead and showed just a little bit of me doing the countertops and the bathtub and some sweeping and stuff. But if you guys, you know, like this type of video and you want more in depth and you really want to see like all parts, like for real, just let me know in the comments down below. Luckily, it looks like you put this together easily. I've had the other one so long, I don't even remember having to put it together. So let's get it going so I can get this clean, because, girl, there's a lot to do. These are, these are the little dry sweeping cloths. This is the same here. Yeah, it looks like two of these. Then it comes with the heavy duty wet mopping cloths. Now, I bought a pack of those too though, because I figured it wasn't gonna come with that many, which is on the box right here. But I was so tired when we were in the store, I wasn't paying attention to that. So it's 7 of the dry ones and 3 of the wet ones. And then, oh, okay, so these are the heavy duty wet ones. These are just the, I guess, regular wet ones that are made just like this pack. Those are made just like this pack that I got. So yeah, let's put this together and then mop this, or Swiffer this bathroom floor. It's just a Swiffer, it's not that big. sweep it when you sweep the rest of it. Oh yeah, there's one cloth in this pack. One of the like regular cups. At this point, I'm a mess. I look like this for quite a while because I'm cleaning. So yeah. I don't mind if the Swiffer mop stuff like gets on my clothes. It's okay. Gotta put on something that can get dirty if you're cleaning, because if you're doing it the right way, you gotta get down in there. Okay? Alright, let's go.
When I saw you over there, I wasn't sure. Now I'm feeling something I haven't before. Look at us, no dancing now, skin to skin. If you keep this up, then I'll let you in. 'Cause you have a way with me like no one else. Yeah, you almost make me fall in love. Yeah, you got me hypnotized under your spell. I know I'll go home with you tonight. Oh, wanna get you closer to my body. Wanna feel your hands all over me. Gonna make 'em jealous, everybody. 'Cause you know we got it, chemistry. Oh yeah, all around me. Oh yeah, chemistry. Oh yeah, you and me. Yeah, you know we got it, chemistry. You make all my problems feel miles away. Nothing in this world made sense up till today. I can see the colors now, no black and white. If you keep this up, then I'll stay the night. 'Cause you have a way with me like no one else. Yeah, you almost make me fall in love. Yeah, you got me hypnotized under your spell. I know I'll go home with you tonight. Oh, wanna get you closer to my body. Wanna feel your hands all over me. Gonna make 'em jealous, everybody. 'Cause you know we got it, chemistry. Oh yeah, all around me. Oh yeah, chemistry. Oh yeah, you and me. Yeah, you know we got it, chemistry. It's coming over me. It's everywhere I see. It feels like ecstasy. Our chemistry surrounds me. Wanna get you closer to my body. Wanna feel your hands all over me. Gonna make 'em jealous, everybody. 'Cause you know we got it, chemistry. Oh yeah, all around me. Oh yeah, chemistry. Oh yeah, you and me. Yeah, you know we got it, chemistry.
Now, going into this pantry and cleaning off every one of these little rows on this rack was very time consuming, but it's something that had to be done. I just felt like I wanted to wipe everything down. I like for everything to feel fresh and not really new. I know it's not new, but I like for it to be like, okay, it's my first time using it. Let me make sure it's clean to my standard. And yeah, I felt like all things needed to be clean. And I also couldn't find the little packs to clean the washing machine with that I usually would buy, but I was like, hey, we're gonna at least do a load with some just regular bleach for now, just to get it going. I mean, while I was in the process of cleaning, I felt like I might as well do some form of cleaning to the washing machine while I had time to actually do it. There is something about cleaning the garbage disposal that is like so satisfying for me. Okay, to put that little pack in there and hear the sound and watch all of those bubbles come through there, I just know that it's getting deep cleaned in there, and that's great because when you think about the amount of like food and random stuff that's probably been in that disposal, there's nothing more satisfying than actually just watching that little pack go in there and do its thing. Cleaning the disposal didn't really take long either. I think the whole process in all probably took, I don't know, not too long, not even a good 2.5 minutes or so. I basically showed you guys the whole process. It's really quick. So yeah, if it's something you haven't done in a while, make sure you go to the store, get you some little packs, and clean that disposal out every now and then. And then if you guys notice in the beginning of the video, I started off in a white shirt, and then now at this point toward the end of the video, I have one gray. That's because I had to do this process over 2 days. Not really because it was gonna take me so long, just because I was vlogging and recording the cleaning process, and you guys, I was using up space on my camera, so I had to clear out some of my memory card, then my battery would die, so I had to take more breaks than I actually wanted to just to be able to capture all of this footage for you guys. Then finally, it was time to Swiffer the floors and the walls, because I feel like, hey, why not? If you want the floors to be clean, you might as well Swiffer the walls while you're at it. Just makes the place feel even cleaner. You guys, we've reached the end of the video. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. If you have, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you enjoy this type of video. Yeah, share it with someone that you know if they might like it. And I hope this video motivated you in some way, shape, or form to go ahead and clean your space as well and make it feel all fresh, tidy, and new. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.